Ali Kazim, nyt blod i gamet, 22.00, byens kode klamet. Yes, min succes den er groet med blækket, bærer mod øst og finder roen på tæppet. Kom, min styrke blev åbenbar for mig, stiller jeg spørgsmål og håber svaret kommer. Har mission slået fast på stentavler, fra en ung alder gadestyrte blev rimavler. Yes, jeg følger mit kald så stærkt på overfladen, jeg skubber bølger i land. Så er det sagt, for jeg er skabt til det. Du kan enten rap til det, eller blive dræbt til det. Ligger sjæl i lyrikken, fordom rør mig ikke kun selvkritikken. Lavede det en gang, en sang, en single, sendt ned fra himlen og blev til gadens engel. Genfærd, troen på sig selv styrker selvværd. Giver poesi nyt liv, finder mod i min mor. For hende vil jeg bytte mit eget liv, som en far af lyset skriger. Fik mig til at skrive ting, jeg ikke har tænkt ned på papir. Nørrebros egen ære og stolthed, bevæger folket med de ting jeg oplevede. Fremarbejderen tager sejren, kald tilbage hvis der følger den her til lighteren. Det er en gadefølelse, mit album forstærker det, så snart du hører det. Stenbroens afkom, det manglende bræk rammer perfekt 33 år sammen med det stræk. Gerne stemme her for at tage guldet hjem. Nørrebro 22.00, hvor I hen? Yes! Al-Asif killer beats. Yeah, 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 yeah. Lad mig leve, lad mig tro, lad mig skrive, lad mig ro, lad mig leve, lad mig tro, lad mig skrive, lad mig ro. Yeah. Ali Kazim, København, Nørrebro, 22.00, yeah. Jibba.
Let's go. Cause when it all begins, my eyes on the prize, so it's on again. I refuse to lose, I ain't gon' pretend. I thought I told you I was born to win. Everybody loves a winner. Victory I choose. Ain't no turning back, cause I pay my dues. I tighten up my laces when I tie my shoes. Born to win, I refuse to lose. Everybody loves a winner. My adrenaline rushing through my veins. Next stop is victory. It's rushing like a train. I'm determined to win, cause it's nothing like the pain of defeat. I refuse to remain incomplete. Got a lot of stamina cause I trained for some weeks. Got my strength from the vitamins and the grains that I eat. All obstacles overcame, I'm unique. I started from the bottom, see I came from beneath. The sky's the limit, so I'ma raise to my peak. Winning is everything, let me explain what I think. Practice makes perfect, so when working I don't relax. I practice a lot, therefore I'm perfect and that's a fact. Been through some hard times while the burden was on my back. It was rough, but I was determined, so I adapt. Getting what I'm deserving, holla back. Game over, you lost like a person without a map. Everybody loves a winner, cause when it all begins, my eyes on the prize, so it's on again. I refuse to lose, I ain't gon' pretend. I thought I told you I was born to win. Everybody loves a winner. Victory I choose. Ain't no turning back, cause I pay my dues. I tighten up my laces when I tie my shoes. Born to win, I refuse to lose. Everybody loves a winner. My competition said I wasn't ready to face him. My teammates said I think we need to replace him. All the haters used to say, boo, we hate him. I wanna thank y'all for the inspiration. Waited a long time for my time, I'm anxious. Something like a doctor, cause I got patience. May the best man win, the worst man lose. Last man no choice, the first man choose. I was born as a leader, that's what I gotta be. I don't follow rules, I let the rules follow me. I'm a focused man on the loose, animal out the cage. An ambitious and vicious champion with a rage. What's the difference between a champion and a challenger? A A champion already conquered his caliber. You trying to become a champion became. I got more wins than a hurricane. Everybody loves a winner. That's why I eat finer foods, complete wiser moves. I'ma retire you. No remorse for these tired dudes. Let's celebrate the victory. I won like 3 minus 2. It's only what you make it, that's what we gotta remember. But deep down inside, everybody's a winner. You gotta work hard January to December. Finish what you start and you could be a contender. Watch the man in the mirror, look into your inner self, maintain health and never be a quitter. Gotta shine like the sun, flow like the river. You see a chance to win and take it like a picture. I ain't trying to preach so you don't feel bitter. I'm just trying to tell you what it takes to be a winner. He's a champion cause it's impossible to stop him. Victory is the option. Everybody loves a winner.